We are Baja SAE at Penn College. We design, build, and manufacture a single-seat UTV. We're designing everything in-house and manufacturing in our lovely facility here, and we then go and race these cars against other colleges and universities from across the country and across the world. Everybody is provided the same power plant, which is their engine and same fuel cell, and then the challenge is to design your car around those two features, and that's where the really cool engineering aspect comes into it, because everybody can put their own spin on how they do certain things. We're manufacturing about 95%. Everything that we can, we try to do in-house. We designed a new four-wheel drive system, and then we're also changing our front suspension to be a little more optimized. So we got a lot of projects going on. It's a really, really good feeling. We have a rock solid car. There's a little bit of relief, but there's still a whole lot of stress that we have to pass tech, make sure we have all our ducks in a row, our paperwork done, and hopefully we can put it all together for this home race. It was a long battle. It was a fast track. Everybody got to really test their full capabilities of their vehicles. The car worked flawlessly. We're super happy with how everything turned out. I'm super proud of how hard everybody's worked to try and get us to this point. The team pulled it off. It was just an awesome event.